Hi, I'm pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson. You're watching Get Your Sax Together. And on this week's show, I'm going to show you one really simple tip that could transform your phrasing and make everything you play sound so much better. Just before we steam straight into today's lesson, if you haven't already done so, please go and check out my free Saxophone Success Masterclass using the URL that you can see there. This is a 1-hour lesson with me, completely free, where I go through a whole load of saxophone stuff that can make a massive and instant difference to how good you sound. So click the link in the description or use that URL there. So without further ado, let's delve straight into today's lesson, which is about phrasing and how you can sound instantly better. Today, I'm going to teach you about polarized phrasing. Now, when I say polarized phrasing, that just means make a big difference between the short notes you play and the long notes you play. Phrasing is one of those things that's really going to make a massive difference in how good you sound on saxophone when you play any song or any solo. The biggest mistake that people make is making their longs long-ish and making their shorts short-ish when they play notes, or sometimes not even really thinking about which notes are going to be long and which notes are going to be short at all, which is even worse. So what you want to do is you want to make your long notes full length and you want to make your short notes as short as you can. So for example, if you're going to play a short note, instead of playing it short-ish, play it really staccato. I'll show you what I mean. So you can see the second set of notes I played, they're really short. That's what you want to aim for. And the same when you do your long notes, make them really connected if they're long and not just sort of connected. So let's put this in practice so you can see exactly what I mean. Let's look at the song Chameleon by Herbie Hancock. This is a well-known jam standard that I'm sure many of you have played. The first note is going to be long, the second note is going to be short. Da-da. This is a really key component of your phrasing. The da-da, long, short combo. And we've got pairs of these in Chameleon. Da-da, 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 and then another one. Da-da. Long, short, all the way. So if you make your phrasing all flabby, so what we want to do is make a big difference between the longs and the shorts to make it much more punchy. Hopefully you can tell the difference there. This one tip is going to make a massive difference to your phrasing and how good you sound when you play any tune. All that's left after that is to decide which notes are short and which notes are long, of course. And the easiest way to do that is just to sing the melody. If you're gonna play the tune Chameleon and you sang it, you go da 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 da. You can hear straight away which notes are long and which notes are short. And you can apply that rule to any song that you play. So longs long, shorts short, and really add some extra rhythmic punch to the shorts. You want to get your tongue straight back in that reed as fast as you can. If you want to learn a bit more about articulation, you can see my videos which are linked up there now, which the first one is the basics of articulation and the second is about jazz articulation, but basically they cover some of this stuff in detail, so make sure you go and check out those videos to learn a bit more. Now I'm going to play Chameleon one more time, wrong first and then correct the second time. See what this sounds like. I've got the old Better Sax burning mouthpiece on today, giving that a little whirl for any geeks that had spotted that. Okay, so here it is, wrong first and then right the second time. So that's all I got for you today, guys. It's a very short video, but really, really important. Just because it's a short video doesn't mean it's not going to have a massive impact on your playing if you take this one tip and apply it to the songs that you play. As usual, many thanks for all of you who bought me a coffee using the link that you can see there. If you think you're enjoying these videos and you want to chip in a little bit for the goodwill of Get Your Sax Together, just use the link in the description or the URL that you can see there, and I really appreciate it. Every single milligram of caffeine gets plowed straight back into making content like this for you. Now, until next week, you know what I'm going to say. Make sure that you practice hard, practice smart, and I'll see you later. Take it easy. What a bumblefish. Bloody hell, wait for that noisy aeroplane.